Hello friends, glad to have you back on the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete method to fix ringtone or anger issues on your Poco M8 Pro. If this tutorial has helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and enable notifications for more useful guides. Now let's begin and fix the ringer problem.